Hello. Have you ever wondered why your diet always fails? There are a few reasons, and we're going to go over some of the reasons today. Also, at the end of the video, I'll go over how to succeed at your diet and stay at your goal weight long term. Diets often fail because they are restrictive and unsustainable, leading to metabolic slowdown, increased cravings, and a focus on short-term results rather than the long-term lifestyle changes. The psychological factors like stress, emotional eating, and negative relationships with food also play a very significant role in diet failure. So, restrictiveness and unsustainability causes metabolic slowdown. Diets that drastically reduce calorie intake can trigger the body's famine response, slowing down your metabolism to conserve energy. This makes it harder to lose weight and increases the likelihood of weight regain once the diet has stopped. It can also increase cravings. Restricting certain foods can lead to intense cravings and a feeling of deprivation, making it difficult to stick to the diet long term. The short-term focus aspect. So many diets are designed as temporary fixes rather than sustainable lifestyle changes, leading to temporary results and weight regain again once the diet is over. Psychological factors like stress. The stress of dieting, including monitoring food intake, eliminating favorite foods, and experiencing hunger, can lead to further cravings and an unhealthy eating habit. So the emotional eating factor. Eating is often linked to emotions like stress, sadness, boredom, or even happiness. Diets that ignore the emotional reasons behind eating can be very difficult to follow sometimes. And if you have a negative relationship with food, diets can create a controlling relationship with food, making it more difficult to develop a healthy and sustainable relationship with eating. The psychological effects of restriction. Banning or restricting certain foods can actually increase cravings and lead to binge eating. Now there's some other factors involved in this too, like a lack of planning. Without a well-defined plan, it can be difficult to maintain a consistent and healthy eating pattern. Focus on calories. Many diets focus solely on the calories, neglecting the importance of nutrient-rich foods and the overall quality of the diet. The food environment. The availability and marketing of unhealthy foods can make it challenging to stick to a diet. And now the individual differences. Factors like genetics, hormonal imbalances, individual metabolic responses can also influence weight loss and maintenance. So diets often fail because they're too restrictive, fail to address the psychological aspects of eating, and don't promote sustainable lifestyle changes. A more holistic approach that focuses on individual needs, stress management, and building a healthy relationship with food is more likely to succeed in the long term. Now for me, my diet is a 1,950 calorie diet intake for my maintenance. So that would be 3 meals. If I break that down to 3 meals, that's 650 calories per meal. Now, me personally, I do eat more than that because I do work out in the gym and I lift weights and I'm trying to build more muscle. So, but this is an example for you guys to use. So again, my daily maintenance calories is 1,950. Currently, I'm 192 pounds. So to break this down into 3 meals, you would, about 3 balanced meals, you could approximately include 4 to 6 ounces of chicken, a half a cup of rice, and one cup of vegetables. Now remember, you got to adjust portion sizes based on your individual needs and preferences, as well as the specific type of food and cooking method. So, for example, 4 to 6 ounces of chicken provides a good source of protein and can be baked, grilled, or stir-fried. The rice, a half a cup of cooked rice, provides a source of carbohydrates for energy. The vegetables, 1 cup of mixed vegetables like broccoli, carrots, or bell peppers contributes to essential vitamins and minerals. So for example, for breakfast, you could start with granola and Greek yogurt. For lunch, 4 to 6 ounces of baked chicken, a half a cup of rice, and 1 cup of mixed vegetables. For dinner, 4 to 6 ounces of grilled chicken, a half a cup of rice, 1 cup of steamed vegetables. Now, an important consideration on calorie counting. Keeping track of your daily calorie intake and adjust portion sizes as needed is very important for knowing where you're at and how much you're consuming. So I use a calorie tracker and I log all my meals, and if I eat snacks, what I drink throughout the day, which also helps me drink enough water. I'm terrible at drinking enough water every day. So this helps me to actually keep track of how much water I've drank. And since I've been using it, my water intake has been really good, and I actually feel a lot better. So it's also important to incorporate a variety of vegetables, lean protein sources, and healthy carbohydrates into your meals. So your calorie needs may vary based on factors like age, activity level, and metabolism. You can always consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional for personalized dietary advice. But in order for your diet to succeed, you must not eat more than your maintenance calories. Continue to exercise and you will lose weight. You adjust your maintenance calories for your new weight and activity level after you have lost weight. But in the end, this is a lifestyle change. And once you achieve the weight, you want to keep your maintenance calories in mind and can even have a cheat meal once in a while. You can eat what you want, basically, so long as you don't go over your daily maintenance calorie intake. So you don't have to exclude certain foods. You just might have to reduce the portion sizes. So I hope this helps you guys and get lean and get to that weight that you want to be at, that makes you feel healthy and really good about yourself. In my personal journey, when I first started this many years ago, I was way overweight. My blood pressure was through the roof. My hormones were terrible. And everything started coming into focus for me and my body when I started controlling my weight and exercising. So maybe we can help each other to stay healthy. And if I keep doing these videos, it will help you achieve what you're trying to achieve and make you successful in life and feel great about yourself. So again, thank you for watching. I would appreciate if you would like and subscribe, because I'm still rather new here and I'm still just starting my journey on YouTube to try to help other people. Thank you, and let's keep going.